your peace just to let you clear. Paper system but the ink run blind. Justice sleeping while the people grind. Every promise just a chain in disguise. Truth buried but it never dies. Jimmy, Cliff and Damian Marley, we under system pressure, Babylon life. Trying to survive in the struggle and strife, but we still rising through the fire and night. No chain can hold the spirit light. System pressure heavy on the mind, but we keep stepping, leave them pain behind. Yeah, we suffer but we still align with a higher truth they can't define. The people in row, lawmen smile but the system is cold. Young souls traded for stories untold. But I sing for the ones still strong, even when everything feels wrong. Freedom calling through a broken song. We've been oppressed too long. Jimmy, Cliff and Damian Marley, we under system pressure, Babylon life. Trying to survive in the struggle and strife, but we still rising through the fire and night. No chain can hold the spirit light. System pressure heavy on the mind, but we keep stepping, leaving pain behind. Yeah, we suffer but we still align with a higher truth they can't define. Elevate the mind, break the cycle, leave the chains behind. No fear when the truth is law, even when the system tries to make us crawl. We stand tall through it all, answering freedom's call. Final them know, system pressure, Babylon life. Still we survive.